All right, still on page 441. Let me see, I think there's some differences. Okay, no, we should be good here. Okay. Number 5, a cereal box is shaped like a rectangular prism, so I know there's going to be 6 sides. Remember, whenever I do a problem, I always start writing out what I do know first. Okay. The box is 20 centimeters long, so I can do a few things here. Okay. I can start drawing the net, or I could draw the box. Okay. So the box is 20 centimeters long by 5 centimeters wide and 30 centimeters high. Okay, so that's going to be 30, that's going to be 30. This line back here is going to be 5, 5, 5. This is going to be 20, 20, 5, 30, 5, 20. Okay, that's one way of doing it. I can draw it. So and then find the surface area. Now, another way you could do it is there's 3 numbers and you're multiplying all the different combinations of those 3 numbers. So you're going to do 20 times 5 for the 20 long by 5 centimeters wide. That's going to give you one side of the box, and then you're going to multiply it by 2 because it always has a corresponding side. So I multiplied the 20 times the 5. Now I need to do the 20 times the 30. Get that answer, and again times it by 2 because there's going to be 2 sides. And lastly, the only thing that I haven't done is multiply the 5 and the 30. So I'm going to do 30 times 5. Get that answer and multiply that by 2. And this is 2, 4, 6 sides. So I've accounted for all 6 sides. Okay. So I'm going to let you finish that math off to find the surface area of the cereal box. Now, this is my favorite way. I wouldn't draw it. I would do it this way. So I'm just looking at the 20 and saying, okay, I got to multiply the 20 by both numbers. 20 times 5, 20 times 30. And then I have to double it because there's 2 sides. And then I have to make sure the 5 is multiplied by both numbers. Well, the 5 is already multiplied by the 20 right here, but I haven't multiplied it by the 30 yet. So then I multiply the 5 times the 30, and that's how I get this one. And then there's going to be, again, 2. Because it's either the top and the bottom, the left and the right, or the front and the back of the box. All right, number 6, Darren is painting a wooden block as part of his art project. The block is a rectangular prism. So again, I know it's going to have 6 sides. It's 12 by 9 by 5. Describe the rectangles that make up the net for the prism. Okay, well, we can kind of put in words what we did up here. Okay, so 2 rectangles. And that's either the front and the back, the left and the right, or the top and the bottom. 2 of them, though, will be, whoops, started spelling B before I finished will be 12 by 9. So I have to do the 12 times the 9. 2 let's label it. 2 rectangles will be 12 by, and 12 by the other number 5. And then lastly, 2 rectangles, looks like a Z, but it's 2 rectangles will be, so I multiplied the 12 by everything. Now I need to multiply the 9 by the 12, which was already done right here. But I haven't done a 9 times 5. So the last 2 rectangles will be 9 by 5. Okay, number 7, in exercise 6, so this one we just did, what is the surface area? Well, we got all our problems set up. We're going to do 12 times 9, get our answer, and then multiply that by 2. You're going to do 12 times 5. Get that answer and multiply by 2. And then you're going to do 9 times 5. Get that answer and multiply it by 2. Once you get these final answers, let me move my note down a little bit. So once you get these 3 answers, add them all up, and that will give you your surface area, your very final answer. Yay. All right. Thanks for watching. Again, I want you to complete this math on your own so I can check and see if you're truly following along and participating, okay? You got to be active learners. Take initiative. If you don't understand something, ask a question. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.